Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we want to find the value of x and y in this given nice math algebra problem. S plus y is equal to 4, then xy is equal to 6. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. S plus y is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 1. Then xy is equal to 6. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, s plus y is equal to 4. Let us make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 4 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, xy is equal to 6. Now we need to substitute for y, which is 4 minus x. S bracket 4 minus s is equal to 6. Now let us open the bracket with this x. X multiplied by 4, this is 4x. Then s multiplied by x, this is s squared is equal to 6. Now let's put this in standard form. We have minus s squared plus 4x then is equal to 6 minus s squared plus 4s. If you bring this 6 to this side, it becomes minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. This divided by minus 1, this divided by minus 1, this divided by minus 1, and this 0 divided by minus 1. We have s squared minus 4s plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. Then quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 6, s is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 6 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 4. This is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 squared, that is 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 6, that is 24, over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 24, that is minus 8 over 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 8 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus, this is square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2 multiplied by square root of minus 1 all over 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I, then root 2 over 2. S is equal to 4 over 2 plus or minus 2I over 2, then root 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. S is equal to 2 plus or minus I root 2. This is the value of x. Therefore, s1 is equal to 2 plus I root 2. Then s2 is equal to 2 minus I root 2. We've gotten the values of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 3, y is equal to 4 minus x. Y1 is equal to 4 minus x1. Then y2 is equal to 4 minus s2. Now, y1 is equal to 4 minus x1 is 2 plus I root 2. Then y2 is equal to 4 minus s2 is 2 minus I root 2. Y1 is equal to 4. If you open the bracket with negative, we have minus 2 minus I root 2. 4 minus 2, this is 2 minus I root 2. And y1 is equal to the whole of this, which is the value of y1. Then y2 is equal to 4 minus 2 plus I root 2. Y2 is equal to 2 plus I root 2. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 2 plus I root 2, 2 minus I root 2. S2, y2 is equal to 2 minus I root 2, 2 plus I root 2. Then you can see that the value of y1 s1 here is equal to the value of y2 here, and the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S plus y is equal to 4. Then sy is equal to 6. Now, s plus y, this is 2 plus I root 2 plus 2 minus I root 2 must be equal to 4. This cancel this. 2 plus 2 must be equal to 4. 2 plus 2, this is 4, is equal to 4, which is true. Then xy now is 2 plus I root 2 multiplied by 2 minus I root 2 must be equal to 6. Now here we have 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, minus 2 multiplied by I root 2, this is 2I root 2, plus 2I root 2 multiplied by 2, this is 2I root 2. I root 2 multiplied by I root 2, this is minus I root 2 multiplied by minus I root 2, this is minus I square multiplied by root 2 square must be equal to 6. This cancel this cancel this. We have 4 minus I square multiplied by 2 must be equal to 6. This is 4 minus I square is minus 1 multiplied by 2 must be equal to 6. This is 4 minus times minus 1, that is plus 1, multiplied by 2, that is plus 2, must be equal to 6. 4 plus 2, this is 6, is equal to 6, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.